Hi again. This small tank here is your M6 tank, a lot smaller than your E-cylinder, roughly 6 pounds when full, 3 when empty. I'm going to show you how to use this with your conserving device and why we use this instead of your typical regulator. Let's get into it. Your M6 tank is roughly 12 inches tall, 3 inches in diameter, and is 164 liters. You notice on top here, we have a tank key. So this tank key here is not necessary. So from here we can open and close it. So left would open, right would close. So now we can grab our conserving device. If you notice from off, we have a couple settings. We have 1 through 6. We also have CF2 and CF4, which is your continuous flow. So what's cool about this, it delivers oxygen in pulse, not like your regulator here, which is continuous flow. So when you breathe in, it's going to give you air. When you breathe out, it's going to stop. Same with your regulator, make sure your washer is there, your 2 prongs, your T-clamp, and your oxygen outlet port. Okay, if we look on top, we have our tank key, and what I'm looking for are the 2 holes. So now when I grab my conserving device, I can match my prongs to the holes there. So I'm just dropping the conserving device in, I'm pushing to the left, you'll feel it lock in, and I'm using my T-clamp to get it nice and snug. So from here, I'll put it in the off position, and now when I use my tank key just a little bit to the left, we can see that needle go right into the green. So now I can go to my dial and put my desired flow rate. And what's cool about your conserving device, it doubles the life of your tank. So with a regular regulator on continuous flow, this tank is good for about, on 2 liters, is good for about an hour. So now that with a conserving device, it's good for about 2 hours. So very cool. Now if we turn to the right, we're gonna close the valve. We can see our needle dropping down to the red. And now with my dial, I'll put it to the off position. Hopefully you feel a little bit more comfortable with your M6 tank, and we learned a little bit about our conserving device today. We do also have a travel bag, an M6 bag as well. And stay tuned, our next topic will be M tank, which is a lot bigger, and also our H tank. Thank you.